In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect an agenda to Notion, transforming it into a powerful weekly planner that neatly organizes your tasks and responsibilities. Whether you're new to Notion or trying to get the most out of its features, following these steps will help streamline your weekly planning routine. First things first, you'll need to open Notion and navigate to the page where you want to set up your planner. Once you're there, scroll down and click on Templates, located at the bottom of the menu on the left-hand side. Here, you'll see a variety of templates Notion offers, and we'll be looking for one in particular, the weekly agenda. Use the search bar to find it quickly, and once you locate it, spend a moment to browse through the options. Notion provides several variations, each with its own style and structure, so select the template that aligns best with your planning needs and aesthetic preferences. Now, once the template is added to your Notion page, it's time to make it truly yours by customizing it. Begin by adding specific tasks to each day of the week. This helps in dividing your workload into manageable chunks, keeping you aware of what needs to be accomplished each day. Notion uses blocks for each entry, so you can easily add, remove, or move tasks around as needed. To make tasks interactive and track their progress, you can implement checkboxes using the to-do command. Just type to-do, and a checkbox will appear next to your task. This simple addition gives you the satisfaction of ticking off tasks as you complete them and maintains a clear visual of what's left to tackle. But it's not just about listing tasks. Enhancing your weekly planner with additional details is crucial. Consider incorporating specific notes, deadlines, or even inserting links relevant to your tasks. These could be links to project files, resources, or even meeting agendas. Such additions ensure that all the necessary information is at your fingertips, reducing the time spent searching for details and allowing you to focus more on actually getting things done. As you organize, don't hesitate to adjust the layout or formats. Notion is very flexible, letting you drag elements to rearrange them quickly so your planner can evolve as your week unfolds and priorities shift. With these steps, your Notion weekly planner will not only be a list of things to do, but a comprehensive tool that reflects your weekly objectives in an organized, visually appealing manner. This planner can become an integral part of your productivity toolkit, giving you the clarity and control needed to succeed. Make sure to experiment and iterate on your setup as you get comfortable, finding what truly works best for you. Thank you for joining this guide, and may your agenda planning enhance your weekly success.